Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designz brand, here to bring you Craftmas DIYs number 5 and number 6. So if you want to see what I've come up with, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in our Craftmas DIY number 5, we are going to create some chenille trays using the trays from the Dollar Tree. That's right. So what I've done was taken some trays that I had previously painted in this turquoise type greenish bluish color, and I am using some Decor Art Ultra Matte Chalk Paint in the color Carbon. And initially I was just going to paint the inside of the trays, but then I decided to paint the entire tray in this color. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I pray each and every one of you have had a blessed day. And I owed you a Craftmas DIY from yesterday, and I do apologize for not getting it up for you guys, but child, your girl was tired. This has been a week of work, but I'm here, eyes back. And again, you see me just applying this paint all over. Have you guys started your Christmas shopping yet? Are you done? Have you finished putting up your Christmas decorations? I have mine up. I didn't do as much as I had anticipated doing, but hey, they're up. So now you see me taking these old earrings that I had. They had started to fade or change colors. So I decided to keep them for a project like this. So they came in handy. And so now I'm adding some of that metallic gold paint. Did not realize I had the washable paint, but nevertheless I added it to the earrings because we're going to use these to make the logo, the Chanel logo. And then I'm taking some of the excess paint and just going around the edges of the trays. And guys, when I first thought about this, as I was sitting at my crafting table, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make some trays, because just in case my rep give this particular item to a senior, you know how some seniors have the large earrings and all that Mardi Gras jewelry? This would be perfect for that, don't you think? Yeah, and as you can see, I'm just taking these little jewel stickers and I'm just applying it to the front and the backs of each one of the trays. And I had glued down the second tray, or the middle tray, and then I realized I needed to add an anchor support. So that's when I took this little piece of that plank wood that I had came in a 6-pack, and I had cut it down and made the anchor piece out of it, and just painting it black to match the other to match the trays. And as you can see, I am now stacking the trays. And even if you don't use this to store your jewelry, you can use it for so many other things. It could be a catch-all tray, like when you are in the kitchen and you are washing dishes, or in your bathroom and you're washing your hands and you have your ring on or whatever, you can just throw it in that tray as well. So you can use it for many different things. But the premise behind it was the grandma jewelry. And now that that's all done, we're going to cut the earrings where the hooks are, and then we're going to apply the earrings in the shape of the Chanel logo. And I did add a little glue to try to hold it together. And now you see me using my clip, but in the end I had to end up adding some of that DAP Rapid Fuse glue to this piece. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. And this is where you will see me add the DAP Fuse, Rapid Fuse adhesive to this. If I can get it to come out. So now we're moving right along to our Craftmas DIY number 6. We are going to make a macrame leaf. And I am just cutting some strands down, cutting about 20 to 28. I think I started with 20, but then I ended up cutting 8 more. And I'm sorry, I was out of frame. I had to raise the camera. And then I realized you need to hold it down with the tape. I always enjoy making these. They are so pretty. And so what I'm doing is just making one loop on one side, another loop on the other. I think this is a lark's head knot. I'm not sure. I just saw it. I am not good at macrame at all, but I can make a leaf now. Unfortunately, with this particular one, I should have used either smaller scissors and or my rotary cutter. For this, I always use a rotary cutter. It's faster and you'll have more concise, your cutting is more concise. But as you can see, I just went and loop on both sides, pull the strings, and now I have the strings on either end, and I'm using this dog brush that I purchased from the Dollar Tree to just unravel the macrame cord. This cord was purchased from the Dollar Tree, and this is what will give me the leaf shape. Now I was going to add this to a larger frame, but I didn't have any nearby, so I ended up just cutting it down to fit in my 5x7 frame that I purchased from Beacon Thrift Store in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina. It was only $1. And now I'm using some of that Beacon stiffen spray. It's for fabric, and it kind of just stiffens the fabric, especially for cutting, and it's perfect for this particular project. So if you want to recreate this, make sure you have some of that stiffening spray to spray on it so it'll hold its form better. And now I'm just eyeing it. I've never been a person that can cut straight, so I should be able to cut this since I can't cut a straight line, right? We'll see. And now I'm using the glass that came inside of the picture frame to kind of measure how large the leaf will need to be in order to fit inside of the frame. Now I ended up cutting off a lot of this cord from away from the middle section because I needed it to fit in the frame. And again, I wish I would have had my rotary cutter, but I didn't. Nevertheless, this project did turn out cute. Again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. And I'm out of frame, guys, but I am just trimming away some of the fabric so that I can fit it inside of the picture frame. And what I did was added some vintage paper that I purchased from Temu to the back side of the frame and then glued the leaf on top. And as you can see in this reveal, this is Craftmas DIY number 5. You see my fake Chanel logo made out of those earrings, and here's the leaf that I put inside of the frame. My son said he thought it would be cute if I added those little florals to them. You know, the burlap flowers that was very popular back in the summer. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you click the like button, comment, share, and if there's nothing else, until the next Craftmas video, bye guys.